Yo, so we got some shallots right here. We're gonna throw some red onions in there with them. And with them red onions and shallots, we're gonna saute them for a little bit. We're gonna put some yellow peppers in there. We're gonna throw some red peppers in there while it's sauteing. Just like that right there. Slice it up good. Throw you some king oyster mushrooms. Put you a little bit of ginger in there with it. Couple dashes. Put you some date syrup in there with it. You know, we're making some mushroom stir fry. I made that some homemade sweet and sour sauce. That's what that is. I made that. And we're gonna cover it up and we're gonna let it simmer for like 7-8 minutes. That's what it should look like right there. That's what it should look like. Look at that stir fry. We got the rice on the side. We got the rice on the side. We got the sesame seeds. We're gonna sprinkle on top. We're gonna make it look good. Just like that. Follow me for more.